Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.
Students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, the next topic which I am going to explain you is percentage. What do you mean by percentage? You must have studied about percentage in your previous classes also. The percentage word is derived from the Latin word per centum. Per centum. Now what does this word mean? It means any quantity that is per 100. If you want to find out the percentage of a fraction, for example, you have to convert 3 upon 7 into percentage. How will you convert it? You will multiply it by 100 in order to convert it into percentage. Percentage means to express a quantity as a fraction of 100. Of means multiplication. So as a fraction of 100. So I have multiplied it by 100. And the symbol for percentage is this symbol. This symbol is used to write down percentage. Okay, students? And when we say percent, that means we mean per 100. So I hope you must have understood what is percentage and what it is all about. Now I will be explaining you some examples in order to clarify the concept about percentage and how to find out the fractions, how to find out the percentage of fractions. To convert a fraction into a percentage, what is the procedure which we need to follow? For example, we have to convert 3 upon 5 into percentage. How will we convert? We will 3 upon 5 of 100. This is the way to convert 3 upon 5 fraction into percentage. So 3 upon 5 will be multiplied by 100. And then we have to check that whether it can be simplified or not. So it will be 5 ones are 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0. So it will be 60%. As we have converted into percent, so the symbol of percent will be used over here. Because 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0 and 20 multiplied by 3 is 60. So it will be 60%. If the fractions are given in the mixed fractions, for example, if it is given to you, convert 3 upon 4 into percentage. So how will you convert? First of all, how to convert the mixed fractions into improper fraction? Multiply the denominator to the whole number part and add the numerator to it, and that will be the final fraction. So 4 3s are 12 and 12 plus 3 is 15. So it will be 15 upon 4. Now to convert 15 upon 4 into percentage, what we have to do? We simply have to multiply it by 100. So now 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2 remainder, right? So 4 fives are 20. Now 15 multiplied by 25 will be the percentage. Okay, students? So let's multiply 15 by 25. 5 fives are 25, 2 carry, 5 ones are 5, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, 3. So the final answer is 375. Okay, students? So it will be 375%. I hope you must have understood how I have done this question, students. So these are some examples to convert the fractions into percentage. Now let's explore more about percentage. Now you will be getting the questions like conversion of a percentage into a fraction. For example, convert 25% into fraction. So how will you convert? When you are looking onto this number, this is 25%, okay? So this percent symbol means it is percentage. That means whenever you have to convert a percent into a fraction, then you have to divide it by 100. When you are converting a fraction into a percentage, you multiply it with 100. But when you are converting a percent into a fraction, then you have to divide it by 100 and then you have to check that whether it can be simplified or not. So 5 fives are 25, 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5 fours are. So to convert 25% into fraction, the final answer will be 1 upon 4. So simply divided by 100, the percent will be converted into fraction. Okay, taking some more examples. For example, if it is given to you, convert 1 upon 9 percentage into fraction and in its lowest term. Lowest term means you have to simplify the final answer. You have to check that whether it can be simplified or not, and then you have to simplify. Okay students, so 3 1 upon 9, since it is a mixed fraction, first of all convert it into improper fraction. 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 1 will be 28. So now it is 28 upon 9%. So whenever it is a percentage, to convert it into fraction we have to divide it by 100. So 28 upon 9 divided by 100. So how to divide the fractions I have already told you in the previous video also, when I was explaining you the topic average. So if any of the student remember, you have to comment down in the comment section. Okay. The procedure was to take the reciprocal of the second fraction and multiply it with the first one, right? So this is the way to solve. So I have taken the reciprocal, 100 upon 1 will become 1 upon 100. Now you have to check that whether it can be simplified or not. Okay. So 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0, 2 1s are, and then 2 4s are. Again 2 25s are 50, 2 7s are 14. Now it cannot be further reduced. So here it will be 7 multiplied by 1, 9 multiplied by 25. Now it cannot be further reduced. So this will be the final answer. Here it will be 25 multiplied by 9 will be 5 9s are 45, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 2. So 7 upon 25 is the final answer. So I hope you must have understood. Okay students, now talking about the percentage and decimals. To convert a decimal number into a percentage, what we have to do? Firstly, we have to convert the decimal number into a fraction and then the fraction into a percentage. For example, the decimal number is 10.5, right? This is the decimal number. So now first step is to convert it into fraction. And I have explained you in the chapter decimals also how to convert a decimal into a fraction. Since there is one digit after the decimal point, so it will be 105 upon 10. We have to add 1 0 to the denominator. If it would have been like this 1.25, then it will be 125 upon 100. This is the first step. The first step is to convert the decimal into fraction. Now the second step will be multiply it with 100. So the second step is to multiply it with 100 in order to convert it into percentage. So this and this will be cancelled, this and this will be cancelled. Now 105 multiplied by 10 will be 1050. So 10.5 in percentage is 1050% and 1.25 in percentage is 125%. Okay students? This is how you have to convert the decimals into percentage. And another questions can also come like, convert the percentage into a decimal. Then how will you proceed? You have to follow the reverse process. For example, you have to convert 35% into decimal. How will you convert? 35% means if it has to be written in fraction, you have to divide it by 100, right? So it will be 35 by 100. Now just count the number of zeros in the denominator. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So we have to place the decimal point before 2 digits. So it will be 0.35, right? Now if you want to convert 225% into decimal, how will you convert? It will be written like this, 225 upon 100, right? Now you have to place the decimal point accordingly. So 2 zeros in the denominator, so it will be 2.25. This is how you have to convert the percentage into decimals, right? And if the fractions are given to you, how will you convert them into decimal? For example, the percentage is given in fraction, in the form of fraction. 1/2%, you have to convert it into decimal. How will you convert? So you have already studied how to convert the percentages into fractions. So how will you convert? Just divide it by 1/2 will be divided by 100. So how to divide the fractions? Take the reciprocal of the second fraction, multiply it with the first one. So now 1 by 2 will become what? It will become 1 by 200. Now it is 1 upon 200. It is easier for you to convert this number into decimal. 200 को जब हम 1 से divide करेंगे, what you will obtain? It is having 2 zeros in the denominator, right? So it will be written like this. 200 zeros are 0, point, again 1 does not comes in the table of 200. So you have to add 1 0, it will become 10. Again 200 zeros are 0, then add 1 0, 0 also does not comes. So 200 zeros are 0, now make it 1000. Now 200 5s are 1000. So the final answer will be 0.005. Right students? Some of the examples are given in the maths book also. After watching the video, kindly open up the maths book and solve the examples which are given in the maths book, because in the next video I will be solving the questions from the exercise 7E, and the important points of this videos are to convert a fraction into a percentage. किसी fraction को percentage में convert करने के लिए we multiply it by 100 and put the symbol percent. अगर कोई fraction दिया है उसे आपको percentage में convert करना है तो just multiply it by 100. If a percent is given to you, already it is in percent, then just divide it by 100. If a fraction is also given you in percentage, then also divide it by 100 and then find out the value in fraction. Okay. So the page number 121, 4 notes points are given to you. Just go through them and watch the video after reading those points. So it will be helpful for you. I hope you must have understood this topic. In the next video, I will be solving the questions of exercise 7E. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye-bye. Take care.